Welcome to All American Trailers.
The RS7612 single-axle utility trailer with 4 rampgate model number 44521 is a reliable and versatile trailer designed to meet all your hauling needs. This trailer features a 3,500 pounds cambered axle, ensuring stability and durability while on the road. The 2,000 pounds jack is set back and bolted in for added security and ease of use. The trailer is equipped with 15 inches radial tires with silver mod wheels, providing smooth and efficient towing. The riceutilitytrailer boasts a treated wood floor, ensuring longevity and protection against the elements. The 3 inches formed channel tongue and 3x2 main frame offer strength and stability while in use. The angle top rail and gusset style uprights with integrated tie loops and D-ring mounting capability provide versatility for securing cargo of various sizes and shapes. This trailer is fully DOT compliant and features a LED light system that is recessed with rubber grommet mounting for added protection. The fully sealed modular wire harness ensures longevity and reliability while on the road. The 4 inches tubing drop gate with spring-loaded latching system makes loading and unloading a breeze. The riceutilitytrailer has a 2 inches cupola for easy attachment to your vehicle. The trailer has been steel grit blasted, degreased, phosphatized, hot water pressure washed, and sealed for maximum protection against rust and corrosion. It is fully powder coated for a durable and appealing finish. Dealer handling is included in the price of this trailer. Please note that all deposits on trailers are non-refundable. Trust in the RS7612 single-axle utility trailer for all your hauling needs. Thanks for watching.